Have you ever tried enlarging a photo only to end up with a blurry mess? Let's fix that! Today, I will show you how to upscale your images without losing quality. Step 1. Open AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI and import your image. Let's see what it looks like when we just zoom in. As you can see, it's quite blurry and lacking detail. Next, select AI Upscaler and choose the Ultra model. Don't forget to turn on the Face Enhancement feature for better portrait details. The most important step is setting image size. In the output settings, choose 400% size for maximum enlargement. Then click Preview to see the difference. That's it. Zoom in to see every details. The AI restores sharpness, details, and clarity that normal resizing can't match. With AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI, you can turn tiny, blurry images into large, high-quality masterpieces in just one click. Try it and take your photos to the next level. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!